What's up, YouTube? One in a million, back with another video, and this is going to be an update video to the last video I made about my 4 modifications. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and watch it before you watch this video, because this video is going to be giving an update to all the mods that I was going to do that I've done already. Alright, so let's get to it. What's going on, YouTube? So I'm about to head over to Harvard Paint and Body, and I'm about to install they're about to install the side moldings. This is the before. You see, it's gonna look so good. Damn, I'm excited. So there we go, but just wanted to show you how it looks like. You see, all the way. So it's actually, there's 4 different pieces to the side moldings. One's for the front door, the second piece is for the rear door. I have a crew cab. You have a third little small piece here between the rear door and the bed. And then you have this one final piece right there. But what do y'all think? You like them or not? I personally do. I know usually people have them chrome, but I'm not trying to have any chrome in my truck, honestly. The less chrome, the better for me. Alright, the next modification that I did that I cannot show you right now because it's not dark enough yet is my rock lights. This is the app I use, RGB remote. Click that, you'll get this little screen here. Go up here to the Bluetooth, make sure it's connected. Okay, hit that. Now hit the red. Can't really tell right now, but you can see that it's on. Red, you want green, blue, yellow, purple. This is candy white, orange, and then we got sequential here pattern. Go ahead and turn my app on. You see that? Let's go ahead into it. Start with the first color. Start with red. See how bright it is? Let's go with green, blue, yellow, purple, white, orange, pattern. See how hella bright it is? Fucking bright as hell. Like I'm the freaking cops over here. I haven't had a chance to do the most expensive mod yet, which is my wheels and tires, but I'm still committed on doing the open country, the Toyo Open Country AT3s for sure, no doubt. I'm gonna do the 33s. I'm gonna slap 20 by 12 wheels on there, but I'm debating whether I should get spike lug nuts or not. So we shall see. But yeah, that's a little update. As far as the time frame, I'm shooting for August, putting my wheels and tires. I'm not sure if I'm going to be going to WAM yet, but my goal is to go for sure. Hopefully things improve regarding the virus and everything, but my final mods before the show for sure would be for the tires and wheels. And you see the brake caliper there as well. I need to get that painted too. It's chipping. My next mod is the light bar, which I told y'all I was going to be installing. This one here was the biggest pain of all the modifications I done. What happened was, my first light bar was chrome. It was about a 26-inch light bar that I had installed by HID Factory. Big shout out to them as well. I didn't like the chrome. There was some moisture there after a year of having it, so I had them to remove it. I bought a Rough Country 30-inch light bar, which didn't fit the tow hooks at all. So I had to return that because it was 32 inches from side to side, and it just wasn't gonna fit at all. So I got that exchange. I bought this Heiss one, and then after that didn't work because it had the wrong bracket there. But then after that, I bought the light bar from AVW Off-Road, which is a company off of Florida and Georgia that manufactures off-road accessories, and they had a light bar there that fit the areas between the tow hooks. So I took a chance. I bought that. It was a curved light bar, but it didn't fit at all. It just didn't fit good. So let me show you a picture of the light bar right now. You can clearly see how it didn't fit on the bumper, how it was poking out a little bit. This one's much better, you see? Right there. So, long story short, I had that curved light bar on my truck for about a week. I had my little brother and dad help me install it as far as bolting it up. Didn't like the way it looked. Last Friday, took everything apart and I just did it myself, but it came out looking great. See how it fits with the tow hooks? Certainly a great install for sure. I press the button and the light bar turns on. Can't really tell because it's not dark. Let's go ahead and see it. You see? There we go. There we go. Alright guys, it's nighttime now. I'm going to show you first of all the light bar. Let's go ahead and turn it on right now. So that's light bar on. Turn this shit on. So light bar off. On. Off. On. Damn. Off. Here's the true test here. On. Off. On. See, that's with the light bar on. See how bright it is? hella bright. And that's just the light bar. Freaking dark out here. So that's pretty much the update right now for my truck. I have my light bar working good now. My rock lights are bright as hell at night. I have my side moldings on, which is pretty legit. I'm waiting on my tires and wheels, which will be coming soon, probably in August before WHAM, if I'm able to go. If not, it'll be in August or September at the latest. That's the goal, just because I need to change my tires out for sure, and I'm going to use that as an excuse to get new wheels. Make sure you stay tuned to my next video. It's going to be a video that you don't want to miss. I can't say any details because I'll ruin the surprise, but thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Juan in a Million checking out. Thanks for watching my video. See y'all next time. Peace.